fantastic.
Yeah, I think this should be interesting. You know, I'm going to capture a little bit of it. So.
And I saw the pictures you sent and love what you've done, and that's what we're doing.
Yeah, we've worked our ass out before, but I told Linda, you know, all that hardscaping. Yeah, that was me with a, you know, with a masonry blade.
Before we start talking. Where we need it.
So it's time to jackhammer on.
Pretty simple.
So this is solid coral, eh? And how deep is the coral? I feel sorry for these guys.
Oh yeah, the coral goes all the way down, Jim.
Oh, it does?
Yeah, they're gonna that you see the soil level?
Yeah.
That was soil level that was brought in,
Yeah.
and everything here was coral.
Very nice, thank you, Sam.
So how did?
Topsoil over the coral.
Yeah.
Yeah, everything here was built on coral.
Art right here.
Yeah. So why do you think people are always against you, Billy?
Has something to do with has something to do with my personality.
Well, we
just
might
guessing.
as well get it on tape so everybody can see, right?
I was asking about this camera because are you videoing?
One speed.
Yeah.
I'm close up. I'm going to Africa in November, and of course on a safari and everything. And I'm thinking about getting a nice camera for wildlife and everything, even though it might just be too small. I'm probably gonna have to move our truck onto your block his, not theirs. Okay.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Or there's a guest parking thing down there, 3 places. That's probably the best.
Have you put your car down at the parking lot right here?
Want me to do it now?
Yes, please. We're blocking these driveways, and then you, for now, let's here. Let's Jim come on. Okay. Jim, only because we're getting stuff.
Yeah. No, that's cool. But for.
Yeah.
Okay. Huh? Where are you going to eat? Kahlua pig. We can't have a Kahlua pig, but we could have a, I don't know.
Roast our Kahlua turkey.
Yeah.
Those two.
Yeah.
Oh, roast turkey. Ever tried that?
Yeah. I've cooked a lot of turkey on barbecue. Yeah.
In the Eagle, right?
Yeah. I've cooked turkeys in the ground.
Oh yeah, there.
I've cooked pigs in the ground. And a whole cow in the ground.